My dear students of class 9 under the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education in 2020. Now I will read the English poem from this book. The name of the book is Bliss and the name of the poem is Autumn by John Clare at page 18. The name of the poem is Autumn. At first, we will know something about the poet. The poet John Clare was born on 13th July in 1793 and died on 20th May in 1864. He came of a very poor family. His father was a farm laborer and the poet had very poor health. But the poet has composed many famous poems. Some of his notable collections of poetry are First Love, Snowstorm, The Village Minstrel and other poems, etc. Now we will read the poem Autumn. Now the first stanza. I leave the fitful gust that shakes the casement all day, and from the mossy elm tree takes the faded leaves away, twirling them by the window pane with thousand others down the lane. We have to know here what is actually meant by autumn. Autumn means early autumn and late autumn. In West Bengal, they are Sharatkal and Hemantakal. The poem starts with the poet's declaration that he loves autumn for various reasons. The gust of wind blows all the time and shakes the windows all day. Again, faded and dead leaves continually fall from the elm trees because of blowing wind. Those fallen leaves are carried by the strong wind, sometimes twirling by the window pane and then carried through the lane. This is the first stanza. Next, the second stanza. I love to see the shaking twig dance till the start of eve, the sparrow on the cottage rig, whose chirp would make me believe that spring was just now flirting by in summer's lap with flowers to lie. That means until night comes, the small twigs shake and dance in these. Dance in the presence of strong wind. The poet loved to see all these. The sparrow sitting on the cottage roof will chirp in spite of the cold desolation. This gives reminder to the poet about the seasons of spring and summer. Even in autumn, the poet can feel the warmth of spring and summer. It seems to him that spring was just present with all the fullness and mirth and laid the flowers to lie on summer's lap. Now the third stanza. I love to see the cottage smoke curl upwards through the naked trees. The pigeons nestle round the court on dull November days like this. The cock upon the dull dunghill going, the mill sails on the heath going. That means the cottage smoke that curls upward through the leafless bare trees is an object of attraction and love for the poet. The pigeons are taking shelter round their nest, probably seeking some warmth in the midst of dull and cool November days. The cock is crowing, sitting casually on a dunghill, as if everything is all right. The windmills are blowing gracefully and slowly with the help of strong wind. Now the fourth and last stanza. The feather from the raven's breast falls on the stubbornly, the acorns near the old crow's nest fall pattering down the tree. The grunting pigs that wait for all scramble and hurry where they fall. That means lea or meadow is left with stubble after crops are harvested. From raven's breast, feather is falling on the lea. Fruits of the oak trees are falling on the ground, creating a rhythmic sound. It is happening near the old crow's nest. The pigs are running in hurry towards those fruits to eat. So we can see this is a colorful picture of rural areas in autumn. So we can again say that this is the panoramic view of an autumn in rural or village areas. Now I will tell you the Bengali meaning of this poem. আমি ভালোবাসি ঝলকে ঝলকে আসা দমকা বাতাস, যা নাড়িয়ে যায় বড় জানালাগুলি সারাদিন ধরে, আর শ্যাওলা ঢাকা এলাম গাছ থেকে শুকনো পাতাগুলিকে নিয়ে যায় বহু দূরে, সেগুলিকে পাক খাওয়ায় জানালার শার্সির কাছে, আর আরও হাজারো অন্য পাতাকে বয়ে নিয়ে চলা রাস্তা দিয়ে। আমি দেখতে ভালোবাসি কম্পমান ছোট ডাল, যারা নৃত্য করে সন্ধে নেমে আসা পর্যন্ত। কুড়ে ঘরের চালের বাড়ানো অংশের উপর চড়ুই পাখি, যার কিচিরমিচির বিশ্বাস করায় যে বসন্ত এইমাত্র ছলনা করে চলে গেল, যাতে গ্রীষ্মের কোলে ফুল শুতে পারে। আমি দেখতে ভালোবাসি কুড়ে ঘর থেকে আসা ধোয়া, যা কুণ্ডলি পাকিয়ে উপরে উঠে ন্যাড়া গাছের মধ্য দিয়ে পায়রারা বাসার চারপাশে নিশ্চিন্ত আশ্রয় থাকে। নিরস নভেম্বরের এরকম দিনে গোবর স্তূপের উপর মোরগ চিৎকার করে, পতিত জমির উপর হাওয়া কলে পাখা ঘুরতে থাকে আরও জোরে। দাঁড় কাকের বুক থেকে পালক ঝরে পড়ে নাড়ায় ভরা ঘাস জমিতে। ওক গাছের বাদামি বীজ বুড়ো কাকের বাসার কাছে টুপটাপ শব্দে গাছ থেকে ঝরে পড়ে। ঘোত ঘোত করা শুয়োর, যারা এই সমস্ত কিছুর অপেক্ষায় ছিল, হুড়োহুড়ি করে তাড়াতাড়ি যায় যেখানে সেগুলি ঝরে। তারা হুড়োহুড়ি করে সেখানে যায় যেখানে সেগুলি ঝরে পড়ে। যাই হোক, my dear students of class 9, you must go through the poem autumn again and again, and then you can form a clear idea of this very beautiful season. Now the lockdown period is going on. Stay home and request others to stay home unless and until you are compelled to go outside. During the lockdown period, my dear students, go through all your books and stay home. Okay? May God bless you. May God bless you.